Right, so you are a dentist, you are a dental practice owner, you are busy, you have no time. But what if I told you that if you would give me 1 hour of your time, I can guarantee you 15 new referrals for your dental practice each and every month? So, what if you could invest just 1 hour of your time once to get a minimum of 15 new referrals for your dental practice for the next upcoming months? What do you say? Would that be a good investment or no? And let me show you what I mean. I'm gonna share the screen here with you. Okay, so basically, what do I mean by this? I got to speak with a bunch of people, bunch of dental practice owners just like you, and many of them say they don't have time. Now, let me tell you something. If we are to work together, so let's say, I contact you through an email or you contact me um, through social media or whatever, then we will have a 30 minutes Zoom call just for me to learn more about where you are and where you want to be and see if I can actually help you. So that's a 30-minute Zoom call that we will have. Now, after that, if we both think we are a good fit for each other, if I think I can help you, and if you want to take on the offer, then the only thing is left is about 30 minutes of your time so we can, so you can give me access to everything that I need in order to get your campaigns up and running for a dental practice and in order to start getting new referrals. Okay, so only 30 more minutes. So basically, in 1 hour, so you allocate 1 hour of your time, and you will get at least 15 new referrals from the very first month. Okay, and that can go on for months. So, and I'm gonna show you. So the first part is really simple. We're gonna have just a Zoom call where I get to learn more about where you are, where you want to be, and get to see if I can actually help you the way I helped um, other dentists, other dental practice owners in the past. And then from there on, if we both agree that we are a good fit for each other, we will schedule another Zoom meeting, another 30 minutes, where we will go through the efficient 5-step onboarding process. Okay? And that consists of 5 steps, as the name says. The first one is getting access to assets. So, Facebook ad account, Facebook page, or to see if I have to create you a Meta um, ad account or a Meta Business Manager from scratch, and access to the Facebook Pixel if you have one, or install the Facebook Pixel for you if you don't have one. And I'm gonna go ahead in another video maybe explaining what Facebook Pixel is. But that's the first step. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. It takes about 10 minutes if I have to create a new account from scratch. If you already have one, it just takes, 30 seconds to give me access to that. Then step number 2 is going through the patient's avatar questions, and it consists of basically 8 questions in regards to the service that we want to advertise. the patient avatar, the irresistible or no-brainer offer, the desire that your patients have, the fears, identifying the objections and how we can eliminate them, credibility, where you tell me more specifically. For example, if we're gonna advertise dental implants, you tell me more specifically, for example, how many dental implants you did in the past years, what was the success rate, and all that, and guarantee if it's necessary. If we offer, for example, free consultation for dental implants, then we don't need a guarantee. But that's what we're gonna go through at number 2. And honestly, this takes the longest. Maybe this will take 10-15 minutes. Number 3, I will ask you for an email list. So if you have an email list, I would ask you for that, because I could use that in order to show Facebook, or in order to tell Facebook basically, hey, get me people, similar people to this list. Okay, so only show our ads to people that are similar to this list. So for example, if you have a list of 300 people that you did dental implants for, and you have their first name, last name, email, and phone number, then if I can get access to that list, I can put it into Facebook and tell Facebook, hey, get me or get the ads in front of people who are similar to this list, okay, who are likely, more likely to convert, more likely to become patients. And if you don't have one, then don't worry. Or if you feel like you cannot share it, it's not a big deal. Number 4, I will show you how to make a drive folder and how to share creatives with me, which are pictures or videos. And for this one as well, if you don't have any pictures yet or don't have any videos of your business, it's not a problem. We can still run without them, but as time passes, I will also teach you what type of pictures or what type of videos work best in order to promote the services that we want to promote. And the number 5, we're going to agree on the channel of communication, on the communication channel, whether we're going to communicate on WhatsApp, Slack, Discord, and we'll see what is easiest for you. So as you can see, it's very straightforward. So after the first initial 30 minutes conversation that we'll have on Zoom, you are going to book another call with me next day, for example, and that will last at max 30 minutes again, and you'll give me access to your assets. We'll go through the questions. I'll ask you for an email list if you have one to share. I will show you how to make a drive folder and upload pictures and videos of your business, and we will agree on the communication channel. From there on, honestly, there will be absolutely nothing left on your part that you will have to do. From there on, it's my job to start creating the campaign from A to Z, and then when it's done, I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to get your approval, and once the campaign is live, it usually takes about 24 to 48 hours to start seeing new leads or new referrals. So that's it. If you want to book a oh, and by the way, almost forgot, because this video is not scripted, so I just said I'm gonna quickly shoot this for you. But yeah, this is my landing page. Is still not fully finished yet, but over here you can see I'm actually guaranteeing you 15 new referrals in the very first month. So if we start working together today is 24th of July, I'm guaranteeing you 15 new referrals until 24th of August. And if I cannot manage to do that, you're gonna get your money back. So you can book a free strategy call with me here at efficient.marketing/dental-practice. There will be a link in the video description as well, or you can go over here, book a free strategy call. You can also see some of the testimonials from the other clients. And yeah, that's it. So if you're interested, if this sounds interesting to you, you can see you're not going to waste your time. It's very straightforward. The whole process is created in such a way that is beneficial for busy dental practice owners just like you. So book a call with me. Worst case scenario, in case we don't work together. And by the way, if you are going to book this call with me, that doesn't mean we are going to work together. None of us are obligated, in fact, to have to work with each other. But worst case scenario, I'm still going to give you 2 or 3 actionables, what you could do in order to get to where you want to be, or at least in order to get to the next level in your business, serving more people and making more money with your dental practice. So that's the worst case scenario. Basically, you have nothing to lose. Looking forward to talk to you.